Pet collar repellents and do-it-yourself topical sprays can help reduce flea and tick exposure, but must be used with caution and veterinary guidance. When choosing or making a pet collar repellent or a topical spray, start by prioritizing products or recipes that have veterinary approval. Use veterinarian-prescribed collars and spot-on preventatives as the baseline, and treat any DIY mixture as a supplemental measure only after discussing it with your veterinarian. Never use permethrin products intended for humans on cats, or apply human insect repellent formulations directly to pets because those ingredients can be toxic, especially for felines. Follow label age and weight restrictions exactly and apply to the correct location, such as between the shoulder blades for spot-on products and the outer surface of a collar, so ingredients do not contact the skin continuously. For a simple home spray, consider a mild solution of safe carrier like distilled water with small amounts of veterinary-approved essential oil blends that your veterinarian confirms is safe for your species and age. Always do a patch test on a small skin area and wait 24 hours for irritation. Keep application frequency to the minimum effective interval recommended by the product or your veterinarian, and store homemade mixes in dark glass containers away from heat and sunlight. The most common mistakes are using human permethrin sprays or other human insecticide formulations on pets, which can cause severe toxicity, especially in cats. So never substitute human products for pet treatments, and call a veterinarian or poison control immediately if exposure occurs. Another frequent issue is ignoring age and weight restrictions, which can lead to overdosing a small animal or underdosing a large one. Always weigh your pet accurately and follow the label or your veterinarian's dosing guidance. A third problem is applying too many products at once, which increases the risk of skin irritation or systemic reactions. If you use a collar, do not concurrently apply multiple spot-on treatments without veterinary approval, and stop use and seek veterinary care. If you observe redness, hair loss, excessive scratching, lethargy, vomiting, or any abnormal behavior. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and shared experiences relevant to pet pest control projects and yard treatments that reduce flea and tick habitat. We host a discussion community where we and other users exchange real-world tips on choosing and using preventative products and finding professionals who can help implement safe pest control plans.